uh, you are having x 1 over a 2 is equals to 3. Solving this now, it just means you will have what? X and then 1 over a 2, and then 2 here is equals to the 3 here. This is 2. Cancel the 2's, you just have x is equals to 3 to the power of 2. It will just give you a 9. Do you see that? And then moving past that now, it just means let's go on to something else. Let's talk about maybe x and then huh? You're saying? And then you'll have x to the power of 2 over 5 and then a 4. To make things easier this side, you will just say what? You will just say x, this is what? This is 2 over a 5 is equals to, and then you have 2 to the power of 2, and then here, maybe because of space here, you'll say this, and then you trying to remove 2 over a 5, you'll say 5 over a 2, and then also this side you say 5 over a 2, meaning the 2 and 2 will cancel, the 5 and 5 will cancel, you'll be left with an x, the 2 will cancel, the 2 will cancel, you'll be left with 2 to the power of 5. Then 2 to the power of 5 will just give you what? 2 to the power of 5. It will just give you 32. Do you see that? And then that's it for the what? For the exponents.